Do you love crafting and use stamps to make your projects look amazing? Would you like to find out even more ways that you can use them? Hi, my name is Dot Lethbridge and I'm the owner of Ink Art Designs. I've been using rubber stamps since my kids first started going to kinder, and now they're young men, all grown up and out making their own way in the world. My passion has always been to create a scene or convey a feeling or to tell a story using stamps with a bit of colour. Stamps bring everything to life when you know a few tips and tricks that can help you achieve this. What began as blogging for me led to being on design teams and then onto magazine teams, and eventually to opening up my own online shop where I sell rubber stamps and products to help with your stamping. Click on the subscribe button so that you can receive weekly tips and tricks and ideas that will help you on your crafting journey. I'm going to commit to you to sharing a tip or an idea every Wednesday right here on my YouTube channel. You'll discover ways to stamp that you may not have thought about and find easy solutions to very common problems. You'll discover the mystery behind how other crafters create the most beautiful pieces of work. You'll be spotting all the little tips and tricks that they're using because you'll have the knowledge. Knowledge is everything, and once you have the knowledge and all the basics, then you start having more fun with your stamps.